Hi, this is Steve from Financial Solutions, and we're doing a recording every day to give you some insights, some tips, something that you can use with your business. So there's going to be a few things that we talk about when we onboard clients, when we start working with them. The first one, and it's technical bookkeeping, but it's keeping the books. And the problem is you can have the books kept in too much detail, where your ability to make decisions are stopped, really slowed down. You could also have a situation where you don't have the correct detail, and that's the other side of it. So you can have it such that a whole bunch of things are muddled together, so you can't tell what profitability you have, and that goes into the next item, which is a lot of times customers have business units and they don't really know that they have business units, or they're not tracking them. Maybe they know that they have them, but they're not tracking them. Business units also include profit centers, so that could be a line of products or services, but it also does include admin work, and it's important to keep track of your admin work, because that is it's really a drain on the company. It's necessary, of course. You can't have a company simply won't work without admin, but keeping track of that is vitally important, so that we know what the scope of that is. We also want to make sure that we keep track of all the costs, whatever those are, and they should be specific to the business unit, so that profitability can be determined. And it can be really easy to have a bookkeeper just go through and accept all the transactions, whatever your bookkeeping software is doing. Just accept all the transactions the way that it thinks you should do that. But you really don't want to do that. You want to make sure that it's really specific and you're doing it strategically. And in addition to that, and so that's one piece. There's another piece that is a break-even point, and that's for any investment that you want to make with your company. You want to make sure that you know when it's going to break even, when it's going to pay for itself, and vitally important, so that you know when that that investment is going to pay off. And it's a relatively easy calculation to do that. And most business owners do know it. So, but it's very important to make sure that that's kept in mind. The last thing is to invest in keeping employees. And a lot of times we very much appreciate the work that our employees are doing, and they're doing great work. And it's important to make sure that they know what that work is, and also provide them with good compensation to make sure that they stick around, because replacing employees, as you well know, is very expensive. So, and also as that not only expensive, of course, but when all of that knowledge and experience and connections walk out the door. So it's really important to make sure that we keep those employees. So again, this is Steve from Financial Solutions. If your company is successful, if your company wants to be successful and wants to reach the next level, we can help, and we provide services at any amount of time that you need and whatever level of service. So we do look forward to hearing from you, and please do reach out at the information noted below. Hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers.